a really cool truck stop. I'm gonna go in and have a look around. I'll be right back. The Oasis Travel Center. This is a fun truck stop. You guys come on in with me. Let's have a look around. Okay, going inside the hippie bus. The psychedelic wallpaper is kind of cool. Front counter's a pirate ship. They've got fudge for sale at the pirate ship. Toys in the little dollhouse. Filling station to get your sodas and your coffee and slushies. The trucker's counter is an old truck and trailer. The restaurant is about my favorite. Look at these table and chair made out of signs. It is the Derailed Diner. School bus, that's actually where the kitchen is. You come over here, the counter has got some really neat seating. There's an old saddle, airplane seats. I think it's a motorcycle seat on the other end. Over here, the seating's really fun. Just a variety of things over here. There is some more airplane seats over here. Look at these neat seats over here. Looks like the back of a pickup truck. Pretty realistic looking. I love the TVs in the back windows on the trucks. Those are great. Walk down here and they've got old metal toys in the cases. Those are pretty cool to see. Love the old car coming out the wall. Back up in here, it looks like an old train dining car. I wish it wasn't roped off so I could have got up in there and looked a little bit better. They've got all kinds of things on the walls. This is just really a cool restaurant. The food was really good too. Look, 99 bottles of beer on the wall. And there's really beer in there. That's a lot of fun. Back out through the hippie bus. We're gonna go out and look at the outside of the Derailed Diner. This is great. I didn't even see this when I first came in. The train cars have derailed into the diner. This car over here is that dining car. I just don't think they're busy enough to have it open, but it's really cool. This is definitely worth stopping for. If you guys happen to be in the area, this is in Robertsdale, Alabama. The Oasis Travel Center. Definitely worth stopping by and checking out.